make sure you keep your head back, alright?
Oh my God, Todd, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready, buddy?
Yeah.
It's almost there.
My knuckles don't look good on video, guys. Alright, guys, you want to count now?
Let's go.
Alright.
Oh my God! Oh man! Oh my God! Oh my God! Holy shit! That was fucking crazy, Tyler.
That was awesome! Oh God! Are we gonna swing back up? Hopefully. Aaron, do you want to go again?
Yeah, yes.
That was awesome! That was awesome.
That was awesome.
Yeah! Yeah,
That is
another!
Anytime you gotta hold your hands out. No. Hands straight out, legs straight out.
Do I have to?
Yeah.
What? Really?
I don't want to.
That is unbelievable when you finally get to the top.
No, I don't. Do I have to?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it's gonna make it more fun. I guarantee it.
Well, what about if I can't do it?
What about if I can't do it?
I've had a 4-year-old little girl that can do it. That ain't no joke, man. I'm telling you. 4-year-old girl. I'm telling you, it's nothing left. Put them down here. Legs out here. Just put them like 4 inches off your knees, just like that right there. Hold it all the way to the top, guys. After you hit the top, you start swimming back down, you can relax. Just hold it all the way to the top, just like your face.
I can't do it. I couldn't.
Oh, man. That was awesome.
I know. I
like that?
I want to do it. Yeah, I'm off. I want to do it again. Aaron, it's scary going down like that. I get scared.
That is awesome.
Yeah, but it's so cool.
How's that, guys?
That was awesome.
That was awesome.
Why'd you grab the bars for, man?
I don't know. Because when I'm going down like that, it just
Alright,
feels
this
like...
is your 3rd ride. You're a professional now. You gotta hold them hands out, man.
Okay.
You got to.
But if I,
Legs straight out and hands as far back as you can get.
like this?
No. Like this. There you go.
But do you have to?
Yeah, Tyler, you have to. Tyler, just do it. You can do it.
I don't like it, though.
You can do it. Just try it.
It makes me feel more sick. Well, can I just do it like this?
He's trying to...
Knuckles don't look good on video, man.
But can I grab on it?
You can do it, Tyler.
Yeah, but I don't like it like that.
Tyler, just do it.
But when I come down, can I grab on? But when I go down, can I grab on? I might have...
The bars do not exist. You cannot touch them this entire ride. They're not there.
Why am I?
Oh! What? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh God!
Oh.
No, no, no!
Oh man! Oh my God! That was amazing! Holy shit! Oh my God!
I love that. That's my favorite ride of the whole park.
That was awesome. Oh my God.
How was that one?
That was awesome.
Mr. Bar Grabber. Raise up on your lever there. See your lever?
Wait, what?
There you go.
Alright guys. That is awesome.
Fishing